On today's video, I'm going to be unboxing this Meguiars, what is this? Complete Essentials for Cleaning Your Car Inside and Out kit. You can get these at Walmart, a few other places, maybe Advance Auto, O'Reilly's, AutoZone. Any major parts store should have this kit, and some other stores. So I picked this up because it looked cool, and it was a good value. You know, you can get good values on stuff right now, especially around the holidays. So let's just see what's in the kit. So what do we get inside this fancy kit that you can get at your local auto parts store or Walmart's? You're supposed to get the unlimited wash and wax, a premium wash. Don't know why I found that so funny. That creams and shines a car finish. Hot shine foam. Perfect clarity grass cleaner. Hybrid ceramic detailer. Supreme shine microfiber towel. And quick interior detailer. First thing you see when you open this up is a microfiber cloth just randomly tossed down into the kit. It's actually a pretty good quality one too. It probably will leave a little fine scratches because it is catching to my hand. Just a little, but it's still a good microfiber cloth. I wouldn't clean your VR headset with it though. We got the Meguiars Quick Interior Detail Cleaner. Now this stuff is actually really good. It smells kind of awful, but I use it from time to time and I have no complaints. We got the Wash and Wax Meguiars Unlimited. Now I used to use this back when my car was shiny, before the clear coat faded and stuff, and it wasn't none of this that caused it. It was just UV rays and poor clear coat from the factory. But if you wash and wax your car normal, you shouldn't have issues with your clear coat peeling or anything like that, because the UV, it helps protect the clear coat from the UV, and UV is what causes usually clear coat adhesion, peeling off your car and stuff like that, and all that stuff. I have never used this. This is Meguiar's Hot Shine Foam. Clean, shines, protects. I do like tire foam though. It's simple and easy to use. We get ceramic detailer. Now I do not like ceramic detailers, ceramic waxes or anything like that, but a lot of people do. It's just personal preference. Good old wax is what I like. And this is a grass cleaner. Inside the box there's nothing else. Pretty fancy. So at the end of the day, it's a great value. This is everything you get in this kit. If you were thinking about it for a holiday gift or something, because it is around the holidays, especially for that car person in your family, or if you're a car guy and or a car girl and you need a present for yourself, yeah, this would make a good one. All in all, it helps protect your paint, keeps your interior clean, and having nice things makes you feel good about yourself. So why not invest in one of these kits? So I hope you found this video helpful. Enjoy this unboxing video. If you're new, get subscribed. If you're returning subscriber, I appreciate you watching another one of my videos. Yet again, thank you. I appreciate it, and I'll see you on the next one.